Hello there, me again. Before we hear Christian and Betty's chat with the Red Bull pit crew, and if you loved hearing about the trophy room and getting up close to old Formula One cars, then you need to head to the F1 exhibition. It's toured all over the world and is now at the Excel Centre in London. Betty and Christian were at the launch event and they haven't shut up about it, honestly. There's a load of different immersive rooms that take you through the past, the present, and the future of Formula One. And you can see loads of detail about how the cars get designed. There's a Silverstone track simulator, and you get so close to the cars and bits of memorabilia as well. So if you're a fan of Red Bull, you'll love it even more because they've got Verstappen's actual car from that 2021 title battle, amongst many other cars as well, like Ayrton Senna's 1988 championship-winning McLaren, and a replica of the first ever title-winning Ferrari from 1961, aka the Shark Nose. Unsurprisingly, the show is very popular, and due to incredible demand, the exhibition's run has been extended to the 2nd of March 2025. But don't get cocky and assume you've got ages to buy tickets, please. It's selling out fast, mainly because Christian keeps buying all the tickets and stays overnight. We've told him about that, but anyway. To book your visit, head to f1exhibition.com. All right? Back to Betty and Christian and their chat with the Red Bull pit crew.